All right, guys, so it's around that time of the year. You know, New Year's is coming up, and you know what follows for New Year's? New Year's resolutions. Yes, I want you to set goals this year, but I want you to actually stick to them. The reason people don't reach their goals is not because of the goals they have, but it's because like the actions they're taking towards them. Instead of you doing your goals, guys, and going 100% right from the start, I want you to take it day by day and actually implement a step-by-step guide for each month. So for example, what this will look like for the very first month, each day, make a little bit of contribution. Almost like if you're in the gym, hitting a PR, you know, you got a progressive overload, those steps, which are gonna turn to actionable progress, which is gonna turn into you achieving your goals. So with each goal, don't set too many as well either. Like, you don't wanna get into the new year and then just like not accomplish anything. Like, you don't wanna do too many things at once. So focus on one thing first, go super hard at it, ball out, and achieve it the best way you can. Because I guarantee you, if you focus all your energy on that one goal, you will accomplish it. Our brain and our body can only handle so much load at a time. If you try to stretch yourself in so many places, you're gonna accomplish nothing. So I want you guys to stick to one goal at a time. Once you accomplish that first goal, then you're more than welcome and you have my blessing to hit another goal. But until then, you need to accomplish that. Obviously, you guys should be trying to advance and accomplish in all areas of your life. You know, whether that's finances, health, relationships, family and friends, like all of that. But still though, we do get busy in life and I understand that like things get in the way, but you shouldn't be making excuses. Literally, if you time block all parts of your day, you'll literally be able to have time for the things that you want to get done. For example, if you only have maybe 1 hour a day for a whole entire week, that's literally 7 hours you can add to whatever activity you want to do. Obviously, that doesn't mean once you get home, you know, turn on Netflix and just watch a movie or show. Instead, you're gonna have to make some sacrifices. And truly, guys, I am a firm believer that if you don't make sacrifices for your goals become the sacrifice. You will not be able to accomplish anything at all. There's nothing wrong with having New Year resolutions, guys. I know having New Year resolutions seems like the most cliche thing to do, but there's nothing wrong with it. You can call it whatever you want. I would just highly advise to not wait to the New Year resolution. Like, start off with something small. If you can take an actionable step already now, right this very moment or today, start doing it. You don't need to wait till the New Year's to do it. Like, believe it or not, like, we give ourselves this whole concept of time, but really you could just start anytime. Actually, the best time to start is now, if we're being honest. Like what do you do? What else you got going on? If life is getting in the way, then yes, I can understand. But come on, bro, like, stop putting off whatever you need to do. You know, if you put it off today, then you have to do it tomorrow. And if you put it off tomorrow, that turns into a week. And if you put it off for a week, that turns into a month. And if you put it off for a month, that turns into a whole year. We don't want to be that person, all right? So it is our job, and you know, we have a duty to accomplish the things that are gonna level up ourselves and our lives. So take this year, this upcoming new year, to really, really hone in on your goals. I don't care. I want you to go full in, 100% no matter what. You're gonna block out at least 40 minutes or an hour of whatever activity you need to do, whatever you need to do. Either that's learning a new skill, reading a new book, hitting the gym. I don't care what it is. You're gonna block that out, and no matter what, I don't care how you're feeling, you're gonna go ahead and accomplish that. All right? So guys, no more excuses. Let's accomplish and let's become a better version of ourselves. Guys, if you enjoyed this video so far, like, comment, subscribe, share the video with someone that needs to watch this right before the New Year's, or someone that needs a reminder that they need to get ahead on their goals. Let them know that they need to start now and they need to get on it and go 100% full throttle on it. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope to hear more about your accomplishments. Leave it down in the comments.